Hey everyone, it's Paul from Unsung Angler, back for the 2026 season. Just got the boat in the water. It's going to be a little windy today. We're going to stay inshore. March, actually it's April. March was a tough month like it always is. Comes in like a lion, out like a lamb, and we had a lot of windy days. It's kind of windy today. I made it offshore once in March. We got a couple mingos and some triggerfish. That was it. Went out with some friends. Didn't film that one. That was a knock the rust off trip. Other than that, what have I been up to? Hunting season runs till the middle of February down here. I hunt out of Alabama. Had a good time. New lease. A lot of great guys. Good time. Now fishing season's here. So the plan today, and again, if you watch any of my videos, you know my plans never ever seem to work out. I'm going to stick inshore today. I'm going to run down, fish some grass flats with a popping cork. See if I can get in some specks, maybe redfish. And I didn't get into them last year, but 2 years and 3 years ago in the same spot, I got into a massive school of giant, they were giant to me. They're big, bigger than average, I'll say, Spanish mackerel. So we'll see if we can get into that. So, long intro. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, as I go, click the subscribe button and like it, and follow us along on our journey. Without further ado, let's get going.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
All right, the plan is to fish a popping cork, even as far off as we are from shore right now. It's 4 feet deep. It kind of rolls up from about 14 to 4, and this is a huge grass flat. Runs from the boat ramp the other direction all the way down until we hit the main bay. So we're in the, there's a loon right there. I don't know if we'll see that in the video. We'll fish this, see what happens. I might get in a little closer to these docks. Wind's blowing from the east, so fish bite the least when the wind is from the east. So if we don't get a video, that's what happened. All right, typical tools that I always grab before I start fishing. Obviously got to have my pliers first of all. Definitely don't leave home without the fob for the trolling motor. I got a D-hooker. Most of these fish have teeth and like to bite you. And in case I get something worth holding on to, fish grabber. Dead batteries. Always, always, always take extra batteries for your fob if it's electronic controlled like this. I've had this piece of gear ruin more fishing days than anything else that I own. And it's my anchor offshore. It gets us around inshore. Well, at least we had extra batteries. At least the battery's charged, I hope. All right, being we don't have live shrimp today, we're gonna get a little pro-cure on this. Whether it works or not, I don't know. I know it stinks. Well, I'm hitting buttons on the damn trolling motor here. Oh my God, first cast. East wind, first cast. Probably a small speck. That's exactly it. I'm guessing I should probably go home. Well, we didn't get skunked today. He's a little guy, but we'll take him. God, I wasn't in the water for 3 seconds. Here you go, small speckled trout. Huh, all right. It's that easy. All right, today I'm throwing a popping cork, kind of a heavy popping cork at about 18 inches of 20-pound mono with a voodoo shrimp pattern. I think it's a voodoo shrimp. I might be wrong. Fishing it on a Bull Bay Banshee, medium heavy, with a Penn Battle 4000, spooled with 20-pound braid. Keep after it. We're just gonna let the wind float us through here. Take advantage of it. Keeps it a little quiet, I guess. We're gonna go try some skinnier water. Well, before the sun gets up too high. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go with a Mirrodine. Tie that with a no slip loop. So cover a little more water. Switched up to a medium. This is a Shimano GLF 7-foot medium. And Penn, I think this is 3,015 pound. Penn Battle 3. So we'll just work this back. Cover some water quick this way. Didn't seem to want the popping cork and the voodoo shrimp. Let's keep letting this wind blow on us. Covering ground quiet. Also, this wind will throw this thing a mile. I don't even know where that landed. I bet I can cast this lure over that bridge from here. Little Uncle Rico joke. All right, we just moved. The flat wasn't working out. We're gonna try this drop off here on this man-made wall, and we'll let the wind just blow us down as I work this Berkeley gulp through here. I don't want to get pushed too close. Oh, got smoked. Something smoked it. Oh, damn it. There's that. Inshore is tough with no bait. Try this Mirrodine again, I guess. Well, work back down through here with the Mirrodine, see what happens. Cover some ground anyways. Caught some big specks through here over the years. There we go, fish. I don't know what it is. Pull and drag, whatever it is. Big speck. Nice speck. All right, boat flip. Oh yeah. All right, well, there we go. It's 18-inch speck. Nice. Let's putting him in the cooler because they taste good. All right, we're gonna work back through the same section. This time I'm gonna throw this small Yuzuri. Little comment with the Miradine. I tied a no-slip loop knot, but being this has a split ring on the top, I'll just go right uni knot right to it. So I find the uni knot, one, it's got great holding, but it doesn't make my line all kinky like right before the knot. I mean, I tied a clinch knot my whole life, so my dad taught me when I was a kid, but oh boy, I just drifted past a lot of water I wanted to fish, so get cranking. There we go. I don't know what this is. It's pulling hard though. Got anchor on. I think it's another big speck. Or is it a Spanish? What the heck is this? Bluefish. Huh. All right. We'll take him. I was just gonna say too, in years past, I've done really well catching bluefish in here. His face is bleeding pretty good, but we don't get them as big as they get them up in the Northeast, but they pull hard, so we get this guy back. Now I gotta wash the whole boat because he bled everywhere. Thank God for a wash down, because these fish are bloody. Just pulling that hook out of his face, got blood everywhere. All right, we're gonna bag it. It's windy, tired of fighting with the wind, fishing slow. I had to work really hard for those. Well, I had to work hard for two fish. The first one came pretty easy. So hope you liked the video. Season's just starting here. It's going to transition any minute, so keep an eye out for new videos, and we'll keep going all year. So hope you like the video. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click the subscribe button and follow us on our journey. Thanks again.